6 days and we went from boxing up the slab to poured concrete. Builders on site, frames are up, roof trusses are in. Hey, I'm Josh, and behind me is our 2-lot subdivision in Lower Hutt. We've had some progress on site. Yo, good, thanks. Yourself? When are you doing wrap and cavity bedding? We're going to be building a 3-bedroom, 115 square metre home with a single garage, open plan living. It's a really smart design. It's a rectangle, great roof line. It's going to be clad with brick. We filmed a couple of months ago here about subdividing.
It's NZ Instagrammer.
Got to get it on the gram. Did it even happen if we didn't get it on the gram? So our clients here have owned this house for a while. They just demolished the garage, put a fence up. We're in the process of turning 1 lot into 2 lots. We've gone through the process, we've done the subdivision drains, we've cleared the site. It now has title. Because the owners are intending to own this property long term, they wanted brick, low maintenance, don't have to paint it again, and they just love the look of it. So cladding with brick changes the process a little bit for us as builders, also changes the footprint of the building. Not only do we have to pour the concrete for the framing, we have to allow for a brick rebate around the perimeter of the building. This doesn't sound like much, but it does chew into your total square meterage site coverage. It means you're building a slightly wider building, and that can be the thing that makes or breaks your ability to get another unit on your section. In this case here, it worked. We're measuring up for the roofing iron now. That's going to get laid next week. Windows have been ordered, bricks have been ordered. In a matter of weeks, it's going to go from empty site to closed-in building. In the meantime, the client's been working with us in the office. They've made all their decisions. We've locked in flooring, carpet, paint colours, appliances, all those fun things that turn it from a house into a home. That's all been locked and loaded in the system. We're excited to get another build underway and turn 1 section into 2. And how's the frames?
Do like a few mils here and there in width, just to straighten out, like where this truss goes, where this frame goes all the way through, it's a little bit wide for us.
Yeah.
Try and pull it in and straighten it out.
The feet's tiny on this one, eh?
Yeah. You lose most of it once the bricks are up.
Awesome. So each one of our sites has a main builder. They're in charge of all the building operations. Although I'm a qualified builder myself, I cannot be on 6 building sites at once. And so each one of my sites has a builder who's in charge, and either myself or Caleb, my construction manager, will stop in, make sure that they're okay, make sure they're on the right track. We'll talk about the current phase that they're doing. Have they encountered any problems? How have they resolved it? Is everything going fine? The other thing our conversations with the builders revolve around is what's coming next, and windows is the big one though, that's what you want locked in. But now's the time where like kitchen guy, garage door guy, internal guy can like, if they're like, oh, these are too low or too high or whatever, we can fix it. Have the windows been measured? Has the garage door been measured? Has the roof been measured? Has the kitchen guy come to measure at framing stage? Now this sounds crazy to get a kitchen measured while we don't even have a roof on, but while it's just frames, this is the perfect stage to alter anything rather than waiting, getting a roof on, getting all the surfaces in the wall, getting the jib on, and then the kitchen guy comes and says, oh, I can't make that work, or that's not what I thought. So we've learned, get everyone in to do their measures as soon as frames are up. This is what we're doing right now. We'll then talk about our next materials delivery. We'll discuss how the schedule's going. Basically, just make sure the builders are okay and are they on track. That's pretty much it for this video here right now. It's cool to see progress on site. If you want to see us build this house start to finish like the other 50 homes we've done, go ahead, click subscribe, check out our channel, check out some of the other epic builds we've got on the go. See you there.